Hello there, I'm Gabriel and welcome back to another video, and today we're talking about how to remove the Instagram action block. This is a super common problem and I have some solutions for you. So without further ado, let's get started. The most common cause that you are getting action block is because you are doing a spammy behavior. So you're going against Instagram policies. This means you're doing like for like, follow for follow, comment for comment, all the bots, you're doing DM groups, and you're participating in everything that goes against Instagram policies. So step number one is to stop doing this behavior. This is hurting your account more than it's helping. I also have a video that talks about the shadow ban, because most likely if you are getting action block, you will be getting shadow banned. So make sure after you finish watching this video, you watch that video down in the description, so your account is healthy once again and you start reaching new people and everything is as it used to be. Step number two is to edit your profile. So change your profile picture, your bio, and your links. This way Instagram will see that you are an actual person running the account and not a bot. Step number three is to report a problem. So make sure that when you get the notification, you click the button, report a problem, so if there was any mistake, they can fix it. Step number four is to connect your Instagram account with your Facebook account. You can easily do this with your personal account, creator's account, or even business account. Step number five is to wait for the action block to pass. Make sure that in the meantime, you watch the shadow ban video down in the description so you can get your account healthy once again, so you start reaching new people every time you post. So this is all for today. Make sure you like this video and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.